rumors of a DJI Mini 3 have been rife for a while now, with the latest leaks pointing towards some exciting specs. The DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro is predicted to be the follow-up to the hugely successful DJI Mini 2 and could be one of the best drones of the year, or even the best drones for beginners if it goes ahead. While many may have been hoping to see something announced at the latest DJI Enterprise event, aside from the new Matrix 30 and its incredible docking station, it looks like the news is still very much in the rumor stage when it comes to the DJI Mini 3, even as we move into May 2022. However, we have come across some nuggets of information that we can't help but get excited about, including a recent video that seemingly shows the complete DJI Mini 3 for the first time. Let's take a look at what we know so far. Before we start, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. DJI Mini 3 release date predictions. While DJI themselves had not, Deal's Drone felt confident enough to confirm that we'd get a DJI Mini 3, plus some other drones also, and has reaffirmed their release date prediction for the drone to release in May. For the DJI Mini 3 Pro, Deal's Drone has noted the release date for that has been pushed back to May 10th, with a teaser poster the week before. Jasper Ellens on Twitter has also concurred with Deal's Drone on the May 10th release date for the Mini 3 Pro. In the wake of these leaks, DJI has now confirmed their A-Twist and the plot event will be taking place on May 10th, which Ellens and Deal's Drone believe is when the Mini 3 Pro will finally be announced. It's also worth noting the DJI Mini 2 has also supposedly been removed from sale on Amazon, which Ellens has suggested could mean the Mini 3 drones aren't too far away. DJI Mini 3 specs and features. As we near what could be the release date, we've now had what seemed to be an accidental leak from a Dutch retailer Topic, which gives us a very close look at the new DJI Mini 3 Pro, complete with controller and price. The listing has since been deleted, but it does seem to cement rumors about this drone being more expensive than the DJI Mini 2. Alongside the drone price with the above top RC listing, we've also gotten wind of some leaked prices for accessories for the DJI Mini 3 Pro via Jasper Ellens that he posted on Twitter. In addition, Jasper Ellens, via Deal's Drone, has also leaked more pictures of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, including both the above top RC picture showing the kit in total and what is likely to be DJI's pictures of the drone in flight. As the apparent announcement date of the DJI Mini 3 Pro nears, Jasper Ellens has released what purports to be an unboxing video of the drone, given he has stated it is in the hands of retailers at the moment. Before this massive leak, Deal's Drone shared another video of what appears to be the DJI Mini 3, complete with a song that I now can't get out of my head. It's a good, high-resolution look at what could be the DJI 3 Mini. We say could as you still can't be for sure without confirmation, but it does look pretty legit. The best look at the drone before this was in early April, again seemingly showing a DJI Mini 3 Pro out of the box. The big thing here is that we see a 249 grams mark, which should slide in below some regulations requiring drones to be listed or registered for usage. Now we don't know yet if this is the final model. It could well be a test model, so don't get too excited just yet. This model has a redesigned gimbal that is 3-axis, which should make for more stable filming. Before this, Deal's Drone also shared a new look at the DJI Mini 3 framework. This seems to match up to an earlier leaked image, which seemingly showed the packaging of the DJI Mini 3, or DJI Mini 3 Pro as it reads, with a controller from leaker Osita LV. Is it a credible image though? It certainly looks like it, but we're a little thrown by the accompanying comment, which reads, "I'll regard this pic as joking." Either way, it looks believable enough to us, if we rule out Photoshop, and would make for a big step up compared to the DJI Mini 2. When it comes to how much this will weigh, a common thought is that we'll likely get something coming in at under 250 grams. Generally speaking, if a drone comes in at under 250 grams, the chances of having to register it are lowered. An example from the folks at Tech Radar was that drones under 250 grams don't have to register with the Federal Aviation Administration. So we can see an advantage for those looking to get going straight out of the box. Jasper Ellens has posted a leaked spec sheet for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it's fair to say that it does look rather good with the drone purporting to have a 1.1.3 CMOS, 48MP sensor, with a large aperture lens, f/1.7 to be exact, that can shoot 4K video, as well as a 34-minute flight time with a max distance of 18 kilometers. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.